Good morning, everyone. Today, I am going to share with you on important things regarding the role of parents on each child's safety. Parents have a responsibility for discussing e-safety with children and for backing up the e-safety measures that children have learned at school by reinforcing them at home. When it comes to young children, we hear all too often that online safety is not just a matter for teachers to educate our students, but for parents to take responsibility and for the internet providers to provide adequate protection at its source. While the latter is a cost that the government is positioned to handle, it still seems that schools are not only in charge of student education, but also getting parents up to speed too. The challenge of engaging parents in matters of e-safety is perpetual. So we encourage parents to do and support them with the simple practical tips and information. One, talking to children. Parents should be encouraged to talk to their children about what they do online. Children and parents should use technology together where relevant learning and having fun. By having open and ongoing conversation with children about technology, parents will also have more opportunity to talk to children about being safe and responsible online. Children are also likely to feel more comfortable about discussing any problems or concern that they have. Ground rules. Parents are urged to set ground rules for technology use at home. Parents could adopt the school's AUP for use at home. Parents may also set rules such as never bullying or harassing anyone online or offline, not sharing personal information, not arranging to meet strangers who have been met online. Parents should be encouraged to behave responsibly online themselves to set a good example for children. A safe home environment. A safe home environment. Parents should be encouraged to understand how to use digital devices which children use and how to use parental controls on the computer. They should understand what functions such as history and favorites. Make them aware of the available reporting channels such as CEOP. As the school goes on an e-safety journey, it's important for us to know that the children are safe all the time when they're online. We can control what the staff do and teach to the children, and we can control what the children do on computers in school. But once they leave the school premises, we have no idea what they're doing. So thank you so much. That would be all, and thank you for your time.